Best 20 Wilbur Wright Quotes. Wilbur Wright was an American aviation pioneer generally credited with inventing, building, and flying the world's first successful airplane alongside brother Orville Wright. We were pleased to discover that our instincts were correct. Our ideas had been constantly taking a more definite shape. The airplane stays up because it doesn't have the time to fall. In moments of joy, all of us wish we possessed a tail we could wag. We were thrilled to find that we could fly so successfully. The only sure way to avoid making mistakes is to have no new ideas. It is possible to fly without motors, but not without knowledge and skill. If we all worked on the assumption that what is accepted as true is really true, there would be little hope of advance. Do not let yourself be forced into doing anything before you are ready. Men become wise just as they become rich, more by what they save than by what they receive. If you are looking for perfect safety, you will do well to sit on a fence and watch the birds. There is no sport equal to that which aviators enjoy while being carried through the air on great white wings. The ability to control the flight of a flying machine is much the same as the ability to drive a car. To fly as fast as thought, you must begin by knowing that you have already arrived. I confess that in 1901, I said to my brother Orville that man would not fly for 50 years. Success is achieved by those who know that failure is just a temporary setback. We had to go ahead and try to see what we could do and what we could learn. It is not really necessary to look too far into the future. We see enough already to be certain it will be magnificent. The world knows little of the work that is done in the laboratory. The reason birds can fly and we can't is simply because they have perfect faith. For to have faith is to have wings.